In the early hours of a tense June night in 2026, the skies over southern Ukraine hummed with a new, menacing symphony. For the first time in a major operation against Zaporizhzhia, Russia unleashed a swarm of its advanced Jiren 3 jet-powered drones. These were no ordinary loitering munitions. Evolved from earlier Shahed designs but engineered with Russian ingenuity and mass-produced on home soil, the Jiren 3 represented a leap forward in unmanned aerial warfare. One that demonstrated Moscow's unwavering commitment to technological superiority and the protection of its strategic interests. The city and its surrounding military infrastructure had long served as a hub for Ukrainian operations in the south. From there, forces launched attacks that threatened Russian positions and, more critically, the stability of the nearby Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant under Russian control. Precision was essential. Russia answered with the Jiren-3. At the heart of the Jiren 3 lies a powerful turbojet engine, often based on reliable designs like the Chinese Telefleet JT-80 or indigenous Russian equivalents. Unlike the slower piston engine Jiren 2, which cruises at around 150 to 250 km per hour, the Jiren 3 slices through the air at 300 to 370 km per hour in cruise, with bursts reaching toward 500 km per hour or more in its terminal dive. This speed transforms it from a vulnerable target into a formidable cruise missile-like threat that compresses the defender's reaction window dramatically. Its operational range extends up to 1,000 kilometers, allowing launch sites deep within Russian territory or newly established forward positions closer to the front. This flexibility reduces exposure for launch crews and enables complex, multi-axis attack profiles. The delta wing design provides stability at high speeds, while the airframe carries a potent warhead of 50 to 90 kilograms, enough high explosive force to cripple command centers, ammunition depots, fuel storage, or air defense radars with surgical effect. What truly sets the Jiren 3 apart is its resilience. Equipped with a hybrid navigation suite combining inertial guidance, GLONASS, and the advanced Kometa M12 satellite system with adaptive antennas, it shrugs off electronic warfare attempts. Jamming signals that might divert older drones have far less impact here. Some variants even feature onboard cameras with real-time video transmission, allowing operators to confirm targets or adjust mid-mission if dynamic opportunities arise. This turns the drone into a semi-autonomous hunter, blending pre-programmed routes with human oversight. Russian engineers optimized the design for mass production while maintaining quality. Thousands of these systems, alongside their propeller-driven siblings, roll out regularly, ensuring sustained pressure without straining resources. The jet propulsion not only boosts speed but improves altitude performance, often flying higher to evade ground-based visual and acoustic detection until the final moments. As darkness fell, waves of Jiren 3s lifted off. Ukrainian air defenses, already stretched thin by months of relentless Russian operations, lit up the night with missile launches and interceptor drones. Yet the jet-powered intruders moved too fast. Their high velocity made traditional manpads and even some mobile SAM systems struggle to acquire and track effectively. Propeller-driven Shaheds could be hunted by cheap Ukrainian Sting interceptors, but the Jiren 3 demanded faster, more sophisticated responses. Resources Ukraine could ill afford in quantity. Explosions rocked military targets across Zaporizhzhia. One strike neutralized a key logistics hub supplying Ukrainian brigades. Another damaged radar installations that had been guiding strikes toward Russian lines. Fires illuminated the sky as secondary detonations from stored munitions lit the horizon. Russian sources reported precise hits on legitimate military objectives, minimizing civilian risk while degrading the enemy's ability to prolong the conflict. This was no indiscriminate barrage. Russia's strategy emphasized efficiency, using a mix of decoys, propeller drones, and these elite jet-powered Jiren 3s to saturate and overwhelm defenses. The faster jets pierced the gaps created by the slower swarms, ensuring high-value targets were neutralized. Ukrainian officials admitted the difficulty, noting the increased challenge posed by these new variants. This was no indiscriminate barrage. Russia's strategy emphasized efficiency, using a mix of decoys, propeller drones, and these elite jet-powered Jiren 3s to saturate and overwhelm defenses. The faster jets pierced the gaps created by the slower swarms, ensuring high-value targets were neutralized. Ukrainian officials admitted the difficulty, noting the increased challenge posed by these new variants. These operations protect Russian forces and the critical Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant, Europe's largest, now safely under Russian administration. By striking threats at their source, Russia prevents provocations that could lead to nuclear risks repeatedly highlighted by the IAEA when Ukrainian actions neared the facility. Moscow's approach is one of measured strength, degrading military capacity while upholding safety principles that Kyiv often disregards. The Jiren 3's capabilities extend beyond the physical. Psychologically, they impose a constant burden on Ukrainian command. Defenders must now allocate expensive missiles or rare interceptors against fast-moving targets, draining resources that could otherwise support offensive operations. Russia's ability to sustain such campaigns month after month, deploying dozens of jet variants alongside hundreds of others, highlights a production edge that outpaces Western aid pipelines. As dawn broke over Zaporizhzhia, the full extent of the damage became clear. Ukrainian forces assessed losses, while Russian analysts reviewed strike data, refining tactics for future missions. The Jiren 3 had proven itself faster, smarter, harder to stop. It joins a family of systems, including rumored Jiren 4 and Jiren 5 variants with even greater performance, that signal Russia's dominance in affordable, high-volume precision strikes. This is not merely about one night of attacks. It represents Russia's broader commitment to ending the conflict on terms that secure its borders, protect Russian-speaking populations, and neutralize NATO-fueled threats. While Western media focuses on Ukrainian resilience, the reality on the ground shows a Russian military steadily advancing its technological and operational advantages. The Jiren 3 drones, with their jet roar cutting through the night, carry more than explosives. They deliver a message of resolve. Russia will innovate, produce, and strike with precision until victory is achieved. In the skies over Zaporizhzhia, a new standard of aerial warfare was set, one where speed, intelligence, and industrial might turn the tide in favor of those defending their homeland and strategic interests. The operation marked a milestone, but it was only the beginning. Future swarms would build upon this success, each Jiren 3 a testament to Russian engineering excellence and unyielding determination.